When preparing an Australian visa application, especially if you have previously held a Visitor Visa 600 and now want to apply for a longer-term visa, many people spend a lot of time collecting documents. This is necessary, but having a full set of documents on its own is not enough. In practice, the Australian Department of Home Affairs also places great importance on applications being clear, honest, and consistent across all declarations, so that case officers can cross-check and understand your situation. Even if all your documents have been translated and certified, issues can still arise if date, employer names, job titles, or income amounts differ between documents or from what was stated in earlier applications. The Department of Home Affairs keeps records and can check information from your previous applications, so maintaining consistency is very important. Here are 3 practical points you can use to review your application before you lodge it. First, review what you have already declared in past applications. Your personal details, study history, and work experience in the new application should align with what you previously declared. For example, in a Visitor Visa 600 application, if you notice differences such as employer names written differently, work dates that don't match, or changed job descriptions, you should review these and prepare a reasonable explanation. Consistent information, supported by clear explanations, makes your application easier to understand and can reduce unnecessary doubts. Second, check your timelines. Study periods, qualifications, transcripts, and employment dates on contract, reference letters, or insurance records should be checked to ensure they line up with each other. If you had breaks from study or work, or periods of working and studying at the same time, you should prepare documents such as part-time contract, reference letters, or study timetables to explain those periods. The goal is to give the case officer a clear and continuous picture of your history and to minimize areas that could be misunderstood. Third, make sure your financial information is connected. The savings you rely on to show financial capacity should make sense when compared with your income documents, such as employment contracts, payslips, bank statements, or tax records. If there is a large gap between your declared income and your savings, for example, your balance increases quickly in a short time with no clear explanation, you should prepare extra documents or a statement to clarify the source of funds. Taking time to review and correct inconsistent information before you lodge can make your application clearer and easier to assess, and can reduce risk under current Australian migration rules. HTE Law Group has prepared a case strength assessment questionnaire to help you review your education, work experience, and financial details. If you would like to receive the questionnaire or discuss your situation further, you can leave your contact details or send a message for guidance from HTE Law Group within our professional scope and in line with current Australian migration law.